100, 2 left, long, trim. 100, 2 left, long, trim. 80 to 3 right, long, trim. 3 right, long, trim, 170 for 4 left. 4 left, 80, hairpin right. Hairpin right, 150. 150, then open hairpin left. Open hairpin left, 80. For 3 left, on 5 right long. 3 left, on 5 right long, into 3 right long over the crest. 5 right long, into 3 right long over crest, 60. 3 right long over the crest, 60, then flat 2 right, 130. Flat 2 right, 130, then lane 3 right, and tightens 4 right long. Tightens 4 right long, 80, then 3 right in, follow the white line. 80, 3 right in, follow the white line, 100. 100, for flat 2 right, trim 100. Flat 2 right,
later long.
Brake before the crest, into 6 left long. Braking before the crest, into 6 left long. 60, 2 right, follow the white line over the crest. 60, 2 right, follow the white line over the crest. 150 to your 5 right long. 150 to your 5 right long. Your 5 right long. 100 for chicane 4 wheel right entry. You'll see it. 100 chicane 4 wheel right entry. See it. 4 wheel right entry chicane and right in middle crest. 40 3 right in. Right in middle over crest. 40 3 right in. 60 2 left. 3 right in. 60 2 left. 60 2 left. 60 to fast 3 right long. 270. Fast 3 right long. 270. You have 270, you have flat 1 right, 130. Flat 1 right, 130, middle flat crest, 180 for a tight 5 wheel chicane left entry. 180 to a tight 5 wheel chicane left entry. It's a tight 5 wheel chicane. Then go 3 left, 250. Go 3 left, 250. 250 to flat 2 left again, 150. 2 left, 150 to 5 wheel chicane left entry. You can see the first wheel there, 5 wheel chicane left entry.
Aye, fucking lovely.
87 right long, it nips wheels outside. 7 right long, it nips with wheels outside. Into 4 left, long. Into 4 left, long. And it opens to 2 left long, sudden 5 right long. 2 left long, sudden 5 right long. There's your 5 right. Opens over crest. On 2 left, 100. 2 left, 100. Flat 1 right, 200. Flat 1 right, 200. Now keep it committed. Flat 1 right, 80. 1 left, good 130 for a C and turn acute hairpin right around the wheel. 1 left, good 130. 1 left, you have good 130. C and turn acute hairpin right over gravel around the wheel.
Good gear, well done.
C and turn acute hairpin right. 100 up the middle. 100 up the middle. There's 7 left over gravel at the lane. 7 left over gravel at the lane. 60, 3 left and 2 right, long. 3 left and 2 right, long. 100 up the middle. 2 right, long. 100 up the middle. For 3 right at the bushes. 3 right at the bushes, 100. Chicane 5 wheel left entry might be a bit more open. 5 wheel chicane left entry might be a bit more open. Then you have a deceptive 40 past the junction, deceptive 3 left to 5 right, deceptive 3 left into 5 right, ballsy 170 down the middle, to 2 left 3 right at the farm with the wheel inside, 2 left 3 right at the farm with the wheel inside, 130 to 2 left 80, yeah 130 to 2 left 80, middle flat crest 100, 2 left 80, middle flat crest 100, 3 left you must trim with the tall trees with the wheel outside, 3 left you must trim with the wheel outside, 64 right 40, 64 right 40 to 4 right the nice wall with wheels outside 100, 4 right the nice wall 100 to stay middle, 1 left 1 right there may be stones breaking, 60 unseen hairpin right over gravel around the cable pole, hairpin right over gravel around the cable pole. Now there's rocks outside, stay tidy, there's rocks outside. 60 5 right on 7 left, 5 right on 7 left, 7 left on 2 right, C 230 down the middle, 2 right, you can see 230 down the middle, top 4 left 4 right, you go on 4 left 4 right 40, 4 left 4 right 40, maybe mud, 3 left 2 right through narrow bridge with the wheel inside, 3 left 2 right 80 up the middle, to 7 left, around the bale, turn at 7 left, around the bale, then you've 80, turn 7 left, don't cut, there's an honesty box inside, turn 7 left, don't cut, honesty box, 450, go 450, go 450, for 2 left, good 100, chicane 4 wheel, right hand 3, 2 left, you have good 100 for 4 wheel chicane, right hand 3, 4 wheel chicane, right hand 3, and 6 left gravel with a bale outside, 7 right in bale outside, 6 left gravel with a bale outside, 7 right in with a bale outside, go 100, 7 right go 100 through the dip, to right in the middle over flat jump 150, right in the middle flat jump 150, braking before the crest, square left over gravel around the bus stop, braking before the crest, square left over gravel, now watch the bale outside, 60 flat 1 left over jump bridge, bale inside, go 200, go 200, for turn narrow square right around the bale, turn narrow square right around the bale, then you have 200 through kick jump bridge, 200 through kick jump bridge, 1 right 60, 3 right, 1 right 60, 3 right 80, 3 right 80, 7 left with bales outside, 7 left with bales outside, 100 for a flat line, 1 left 1 right over crest, 100 down, flat line 1 left 1 right over crest, 100 down, for a fast 2 right the dip, 100, 5 wheel, 4 wheels chicane left and 3, fast 2 right the dip, 4 wheels chicane left and 3, 4 wheel left and 3, it's a 5 wheel now, 5 wheel left and 3, push 230 out, go, push 230 out, for 2 right 80, middle flat crest, and 1 right, 2 right 80, middle flat crest, and 1 right 200, and 1 right 200, you have 200, and flat 1 left 150, tight 4 wheels chicane right after you see it, flat 1 left 150, tight 4 wheels chicane right after you see it, it's a tight chicane, it's a tight 4 wheel right after chicane, and late 5 left long, late 5 left long, and short 2 right, and short 2 right 40 for a deceptive 7 left tightens, don't cut, deceptive 7 left, it does tighten, don't cut, and short 3 right, short 3 right 130, now maybe roping 5 right around meals over maybe big gravel, 40 tight hairpin left over gravel, 40 tight hairpin left over gravel, tight hairpin left over gravel, shoot, good stuff.
Well, done out game. Oh, enjoyed that. I fucking enjoyed that. Oh. I need a cold shower.
Fun stage to wake you up.
I need a cold shower after that.